Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of your WhatsApp backup failing. So as you can see here, it is loading and it's almost getting to 100. Sometimes it load like that forever. It will get to 100. It will tell you it failed. It couldn't back up. You start all over again. It loads up to 100. It doesn't back up. I was having that problem and I have solved it. So I'm going to show you how you can also solve that problem if you are backing up and it's failing. This is how to solve it. Okay, so the first one, I will advise you to log out of your Gmail account and log in again. If you have storage space and it is still failing, you have to log out and log in again. So now when you look at the size is what? 4.6 gigabyte. So let me go and check my Gmail storage. So if I go to my Gmail account, click on the profile picture at the top right hand corner, then you go to storage. You see they are saying that 6.2% of 15 gigabyte. So if it is not going through, in case the storage that is left is not enough, so here I have 15 and I've used 9, so I still have about 5 gigabyte and some megabyte, which is more than the size of my backup. So it should be successful. So now with this, if it is not going through, what I first advise you is click on your settings. Go to settings and go to apps. So you scroll down and you will see Google Play Services. If you are using an Android, so you go to Google Play Services. You go to storage. Then you clear the cache. Okay, so when you clear the cache, you can go back and try again and see. Most of the time, if that particular option doesn't work, then this is what you should do. Come back to the accounts, then you click on accounts and backup. Then you go to manage accounts. Then you come to the Google account, then you remove it. After you remove it, you will come back to this and click on add account again, and then you select Google, then you sign in to your new Google account, that same Google account that you removed. You just sign into it again, because sometimes just signing out and signing in will solve the problem. So you sign in to your Google account, and then after you sign in, restart the phone. Then you now come to WhatsApp. So you come to WhatsApp. Then when you come back to WhatsApp, then you come and click on the backup. It will back it up. If you come and click on the backup and it still doesn't work, then what I will advise you to do is click on the Google account, then click on add account. Okay, in fact, if you have the second Gmail showing here, you can just log into that Gmail. If you don't have it showing, or if you don't have a second Gmail account, click on add account, and then it will ask you to either log into a new Google account or create an account altogether. So if you follow this process, you will be able to back up your WhatsApp. After everything is done, just come back to the WhatsApp, and then if after you have just created a new WhatsApp, the new Google account, you just come back and then click on the backup and it will back it up. I am sure if you follow this process to the end, you will be able to resolve the problem of your WhatsApp backup failing problem. Thank you once again. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.